In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add button blocks in MailerLite, step by step. Button blocks are one of the most powerful tools in your email marketing toolkit because they transform passive readers into active participants, guiding them toward a specific action like visiting your website, signing up for a webinar, or making a purchase. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. Open your browser of choice and head over to MailerLite.com. Click the blue login button in the top right corner of the page, and then enter your email address and password on the login screen. Once you're authenticated, you'll land on your main MailerLite dashboard. This is your command center where you can see an overview of your subscribers, campaign performance, and automation activity all in one place. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because you'll be returning here often as you build out your email strategy. Now let's navigate to the campaigns section. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a vertical navigation menu with several icons and labels. Click on Campaigns. This will take you to a list of all the email campaigns you've created, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. If you're working with an existing campaign, scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate the specific one you'd like to edit. Once you find it, hover over the campaign name and click the Continue Editing button that appears. This opens the campaign in edit mode, preserving all the work you've already done so you can add or modify content without starting from scratch. With your campaign open, you'll see an Edit Content button in the main area. Go ahead and click that. MailerLite will now load its drag-and-drop email editor, which is a visual interface that lets you build and customize your email layout without any coding knowledge. It may take a second or two to load, especially if you have a lot of content blocks already in place. While it's loading, take a good look at the current email layout on the canvas. Think about where you want to place your button block. You generally want it near the most important content, perhaps after a compelling paragraph or above a product image. A well-placed button can dramatically increase click-through rates, so give it some thought before you start dragging. Now let's locate the button block itself. On the left sidebar of the editor, you'll see a panel with several tabs typically labeled Blocks, Row, and Settings. Click on the Elements tab or the Blocks tab depending on your view to see the full list of available content blocks. You'll find options like text, image, video, divider, and yes, button. The button block is usually represented by a small rectangle icon with a cursor arrow inside it. Browse through the list to get a sense of what's available. You'll use many of these blocks in future campaigns. A good tip here is to place your button block near compelling, relevant content. If you're promoting a free guide, put the button right after the description of what the guide offers. This proximity helps readers connect the text with the action, making them far more likely to click. Time to add the button to your email. Click and hold your mouse on the button block in the left sidebar. While holding, drag it directly into your email layout on the main canvas. You'll see a blue line or a highlighted zone appear, indicating where the block will be placed when you release the mouse. Drop it exactly where you want it, perhaps below a paragraph of text or inside a pre-existing row. Once you release, the button block appears on the canvas and you can immediately start customizing it. You'll see options to change the button text, link URL, color, size, alignment, and padding. For example, you can set the button text to something action-oriented like get your free guide or register now, then paste your destination URL into the link field. I recommend keeping the button color consistent with your brand but making it stand out against the background. Contrast is key for visibility. After you've adjusted all the settings, look to the upper right corner of the editor and click Done Editing. MailerLite will save your changes automatically. This is an important step because it finalizes the button block within your campaign, ensuring it's ready for previews or sending. Adding button blocks in MailerLite helps you guide your subscribers toward the actions that matter most, whether that's making a purchase, downloading a resource, or booking a call. A clear, well-designed call to action button can dramatically improve your email and engagement rates. As a next step, I recommend previewing your campaign by clicking the preview button in the editor, and even sending a test email to yourself to see how the button behaves across desktop and mobile devices. This simple habit catches broken links or formatting issues before your campaign goes live. Thank you for following along, and if you ever need to come back to these steps, feel free to save this video or revisit the tutorial anytime. Happy email building!